ClearPath, Pakistan's first and only DRAP and FDA-approved aligner company, just closed one of the country's largest dental conferences ever. The vision was bold: bring every orthodontist under one roof and show how each ClearPath department turns 300,000 plus smiles into reality. 500 plus dentists checked in, grabbed their goodie bags, and picked their paths for the day. We opened Pakistan's largest orthodontic growth and innovation conference with Dr. Claire, ClearPath's AI representative.
It was wonderful. I wasn't expecting such a grand arrangement for this event, and I'm very happy that I didn't miss this opportunity. It's very well organized.
9 departments, 9 experiences. Business operations offered international opportunities for dentists. Treatment planning ran CP Smart 2.0 live, and Tooth Logic, the smart practice management software that runs your clinic.
Yeah, actually, I've been a part of ClearPath since a while, so I know the team, and they're very professional, and they're very meticulous, and excellent in every project that they run. So it was so much fun. Like, thank you for having me.
We brought the energy. Dentists played spin the wheel, struck a pose at the photo booth, and walked away with prizes and vouchers from our partners. ClearPath Institute offered real-time learning and hands-on experiences for every doctor. But the heart of it all, the making. Production revealed the automation powering every Clarix tri-layer aligner.
I believe so. ClearPath के साथ ही मैंने aligners पहला start किया, सभी तक ClearPath के साथ ही हैं. All because of the service and very homely feeling, like it's like a family, जिसको हम लेके चल रहे हैं, और we hope to continue. और services अब मैं ये देख रहा हूँ कि like they added a lot of things.
Quality and patient compliance ran live demos of our latest technology pack. MouthArc Lab, a modern dental lab, engaged visitors with its latest dental solutions and products. Our sales team met with every doctor who attended our event and guided them throughout the ClearPath journey. On stage, our senior dentists decoded the latest technology that ClearPath offers to make the dentist's experience smooth, seamless, and hassle-free.
My students are here also. We have learned a lot, and the new technology especially which they have introduced about the triple layer and the bionator and other things.
Between sessions, dentists networked over high tea and shared insights with each other. Then came the moment everyone waited for, the lucky draw. One winner took home an Umrah ticket, and 3 more won the latest smart tech gadgets. The event ended on a powerful note with the drum circle, which the guests thoroughly enjoyed. ClearPath Roadshow 2026. Lahore Edition wasn't just a success, it was a phenomenon, a massive hit, and only the beginning of the other roadshows still to come.